Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chicken salad Filipino style. This easy guide will help you create a delicious dish with simple ingredients. We'll start by gathering our core components like cooked chicken, creamy mayonnaise, and crisp vegetables. You'll find this recipe quick to assemble, perfect for any occasion. Let's get started on this delightful culinary journey, ensuring all ingredients are fresh for the best taste. Now, let's prepare our ingredients for mixing. Take about 2 cups of cooked chicken breast and shred it finely. This creates a wonderful texture. Next, dice 1/2 cup of crisp celery and 1/4 cup of red onion into small, even pieces. Finally, chop 2 hard-boiled eggs. These careful preparations are key to a perfectly balanced and flavorful salad. It's time to bring all these wonderful flavors together. In a large bowl, combine your shredded chicken, diced celery, and red onion. Now, add 1 cup of creamy mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of sweet pineapple chunks, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. This combination gives our salad its unique Filipino twist. Gently fold in the chopped, hard-boiled eggs, ensuring everything is well combined. Almost ready to enjoy? Once everything is mixed, cover your chicken salad and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. This crucial step allows all the delicious flavors to meld together, enhancing the overall taste and texture. Serve your chilled Filipino chicken salad on crisp crackers, fresh bread, or as a delightful side dish. It's truly a versatile and satisfying treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.